Hello everyone! Today is the 6th day of our Sicily Lovers Tour, our group tour of Sicily that covers the whole island in 13 days. Our Sicily Lovers, the people who join the tour, this time we have 19 Americans, they are enjoying the walking guided tour of Valley of Temples.
A disaster. Especially here, the south coast.
This is a very, very special highlight in Sicily. Behind me you can see the beautiful Temple of Concord, the most iconic Greek temple outside Greece. This is one of the best preserved temples in the world, and it dates back to the 5th century before Christ, so around 2500 years. It's pretty young. And you can also see something really special. The tree behind me is a holly tree. It's only 700 years old and it's so beautiful, and also it's still productive. We can harvest the olives and make an excellent olive oil. The visit of the Valley of the Temples is highly recommended in all our custom private tours of Sicily. We can, of course, involve a very knowledgeable local guide, and it's always included in all our group tours of Sicily. And as I would like to focus my attention on the some particular travel philosophy. We used to combine the best locations with the most exciting experiences. So later we will enjoy a special lunch at a stunning restaurant located just in front of the Valley of Temples. Here we will enjoy the most delicate Sicilian cuisine.
To wake them up, it probably isn't good. Oh, they're not. We get a meal.
Feel free to contact us if you want to join one of our small group tours of Sicily. Check on our website, bestthingsToDoInSicily.com, the available spots. We still have a few available spots in April and May editions 2027. The other edition in 2026 and 2027 are already sold out. Or write us if you want us to put together your custom private tour of Sicily that will be available all year round. Thanks for watching and see you the next one. Ciao! Mwah! Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.